Good morning and welcome. It's Joy Cube and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with a pour today using the PRIZM pour paints. These were sent to me by Capriole Shabby Chic, but they're absolutely available in the US and Europe and many other places. So these were the beautiful colours that I've been sent today. And so I'm going to have a little play with these and see what I come up with. Now, from what I understand, you can use them directly from the bottle because they're all pre-made up with nothing to do. Or if you want to water them down for a different technique, say you wanted to do a Dutch pour, I think I have done this before with the PRIZM pour. I just watered it. I just used water to water them down in a cup. So today I'm going to just try them as is, and I'll just go along and see what I can actually do with them. So put those aside for now. I've got this lovely oval canvas that I'm going to work with today and see if I can put some pretties on it and work with this. So for the first instant, I will just cover my canvas with, now this isn't house paint, this is my global acrylic white with the normal pouring medium that I list below in the drop down box. Must have got a little bit of stuff on that. So this is my normal paint. I have got house paint and I probably will give it a try when some people say they sort of use house paint as the base for, I normally use just my global paints as a base, whether they're in white, champagne, green, black, blue, berry delicious, whatever you choose. So it's whatever you, I've got two lots of gloves there. You don't want to waste your gloves. I try to wash them in between and use them a couple of times if you possibly can. So I want plenty on there, like a little base. In fact, I think I would like to do the composition. So it's going to look my way and then I'll turn it around and show you guys. So, rightio, let's get this show on the road. Let's see what I can do. I'm going to do some puddles. You only need to use a very wee bit of it. Oh, I can already see those absolutely shimmering. And you know, if you know me, I love shimmery, shiny things. Like I said, I must have been a magpie in a past life because I really love shiny things. So, okay, what was the first colour? Was called, I must be blind as a bat. I can't, oh, it's underneath. There you go, Violet Rose. And I've used Peach Delilah. Oh, don't they sound exotic? They really do. So now it is this gorgeous chameleon lace, which is a very glistening, very shimmery, shiny kind of thing. And then I'll go the pink diamonds. Wow, pink diamonds. So I'm not sure if I needed a particular base for these pieces. Now I'm going to add on the bottom some of the greeny Royal Sapphire. So I've just got something in mind that I'll try. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. I maybe should have done this first actually. I'm doing the green. So to kind of make it look like a bit of a garden type, but I think I've stuffed it up already because I should have done the bottom first. But anyway, in for a penny, in for a pound, give it a go. I'm going to add some of mine. Now this is the Amsterdam White and Australian Floetrol. So we'll see what I get with this. I don't know if I need a bit up there to, no, I'm going to try not to actually. I might see if I can blow these out with my mini blower, but it might need me. Now I think I might need to do those with my straw, because I'm trying to get it to kind of look like a flower with the stem. So I've already stuffed that up, I can see it, but you know, you try these things. I think I'm better to blow the green down, but the colours are just beautiful. Give it a go. Radio, where's that little skewery thing that I just used? Oh, I've lost it already. I'm hopeless. Okay, trying to get this to look like the bottom of a flower. The green on the bottom, which actually looks really lovely. So I'll just do a bit of a stem through there. But those colours are beautiful. Let's see if we can just... Actually, I don't want to blow. If I end up trying to blow the white off, I might end up blowing my gorgeous flower there. And it's turned out really lovely, which I can do a bit more. You can absolutely use your fingers, a bit more fiddling with it as it dries, I think, because I'd like to get this bottom to look more like the stem of a flower. I think I've seen a lovely piece by Tammy Owens on my Australian acrylic art page that she'd done something like this, and it looked beautiful. So I'm trying to get that. I think as it dries, I would kind of maybe use my acrylic pen to add a bit of stem. But it kind of looks sort of like, definitely like an abstract summer garden type thing, I believe. But it does look really attractive. So those paints, look at the lovely effect. They're absolutely shimmering. So when you have a coat of resin on top of them, or just your gloss varnish, it would absolutely make the colours pop. So there you go. There's a bit in the PRIZM paints. I'm going to have a little bit more of a play with the prisms. And I hope you liked my sort of rendition of my summer flower. So thank you so much for joining me today again. As always, I appreciate each and every one of you. And more than anything is just take care of yourself. If you're feeling sad, lonely, upset, please ring a family member or a friend, or definitely there's helplines out there. Do not suffer in silence. I will be back tomorrow, you lovely people, so please join me for another go at something different, hopefully. Bye for now. Oh, I decided to keep trying with it and blew it all out again, and wanted to try one big blowout, in the centre, so I did spoil all the other bits, but you know, this is what you have to do if you're experimenting. You've got to, you just got to go for it. Okie doke. Try this again. One big one. Well, that's super duper lacing in there, and it's actually, I did this a few times now, layered the blow in different and they were really nice. You know, blow one layer, then, well, actually I started from the top, blew that, then put something blue over that, and the layers stepped. It was really lovely. But anyway, that was just another little try at seeing how they blow out, and they certainly become the lovely lacing on them.